Hello BloomBox fans, this is David with BloomBox and I'm going to go over our Autumn Colors DIY kit. This is one of our most popular DIY planter kits for the fall. It includes 6 plants that will keep your porch pots going well into October, most likely into November depending on the weather, but they're going to keep you with a beautiful fall feel well past Halloween. Like I said, it's going to include 6 plants with your thriller, filler, and spiller plants being your English ivy. I'm going to be starting with a 14-inch round pot. This is a perfect size for this size kit. I'm always going to make sure that I have enough soil. I'd like to measure with my deepest pot first. So I'm going to probably need a little bit more to get me going. I always like to find placement for my tallest plant, my accent plant first, this being your millet. So you're going to work that out. And for this, I usually like to stick this towards the back. And this is going to continue to flush out, and pretty soon, it'll almost double in size by the time the end of the season rolls around. This one I like to stick both of my annual rudbeckias on each side. And before I really place them in here, I always like to take them out, place them in the pot, make sure I like the way they're going to look. In this case, for balance, we're going to place them both on each side. And this nice purple cabbage will add a different, nice color difference to break up the oranges and the reds. It looks like we're going to add our spillers. This ivy, which will actually be a perennial plant. You can keep it in your pot. Keep it in there for your Christmas decorations. All right. And these ivies will continue to flow out. And everything is just going to get much larger as the season goes on. And then I like to add in my soil at the end. Fill in all the cracks. And don't be afraid to add additional soil if you want to make stuff really stand up, since these are such seasonal pots. Brush off all that excess loose dirt. All right, I think there's your Autumn Colors kit by BloomBox.